Superb, sir. Superb. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. Come on for that excitement. We all are looking forward to this and many more blockbusters, sir से, PVR से. And now it's over to you guys. आप लोग के जो भी सवाल हैं, आप लोग पूछ सकते हैं. इतने प्यार में है टीजर में. जी.
How can I say it is there is no gender, sir. Everyone is a hero. Even Alia is a hero in this film, and like again, I'm coming to the same point again and again. It is about the bringing the friendship of those four heroes that you see on the screen.
Hello, sir. Hello. Yeah, I'm Ritunjay from Pop Diaries. Nice to see that teaser and all. It's blockbuster already. And here we're talking about the biggest collaboration in world cinema. But how was the collaboration with so many superstars?
It was great. I mean, frankly, I knew them before. I worked with them before. And I knew Ajay sir because he did Son of Sardar, which was a remake of my Telugu film, and I met him during the promotions of my film Makki. He was very gracious to do the honors of releasing the trailer back then. So I had association with them. But again, I believe it's not just because of me or it's because of my friendship that things like this happen. When you have a fantastic script, and when the actors listen to the script and they say, when they see themselves a part of the, as the character in the script, then you don't need your names, you don't need your connections, you don't need your friendships, you know. If the character is so well written, if the script is so well written, things will fall into place. That's what happened with RRR.
Hi, Rajamouli sir, Justin here from PTI, towards your left here. Left. Towards your right, sorry.
Okay.
Yeah, you know, RRR is of course one of the most anticipated films for Indian cinema. A lot of people are putting their hopes on the film to revive the theatrical business. But in the Hindi sector, it's going to clash with Mr. Bhansali's big, massive film. Do you think, how do you look at the clash first? And do you think in the post-COVID times when the business is so important for everyone, will this hamper?
No, not at all. I always believed if the films are good, it's not just two films. If 2 films, 3 films, 4 films, even 4 films come together, if the films are good, the people are going to come and watch all the films. It happened again and again. There are, if you look back at the history, there are multiple instances that happened. And because of the COVID times, because so many, everything was shut down for 1.5 years, a bottleneck is expected. Everyone expects a bottleneck, but if your films are good, if the content in your film is good, it doesn't matter how many films come together, people are going to come and watch. It will be like they'll be spoiled for choice.
Hello, this is Ravi Jain from ABP News, towards your right. Hi, sir. This film was supposed to release earlier, and I want to know, were you anxious when the film was not releasing on time and there was pandemic and the world was disrupted due to pandemic? So were you anxious about it? Ki when is it going to release? Because this is such a big budget film. And also the seating arrangements have not changed. Like it's still 50% people only can watch the film in any screen. So do you think it is going to affect your film that way?
Like I was saying before, when pandemic happened, it is not just a problem of my film. It's not just a problem of the film field itself. It's a problem of entire humanity.
Hi, this is Taman.
Hi, this is Shraddha Das.
Hi, I'm Priyadarshi.
Name Adi.
Hi, I'm Kashish Vora.
Hi, name is Sri Vishnu.
Hi, this is Aditya.
Hi, this is Naga Anvesh.
Please subscribe to Social Post.
Please subscribe to Social Post.
Please subscribe Social Post.
Please subscribe to Social Post.